Meaning of efface.
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 Efface. The word efface means to erase or remove something completely so that it is no longer visible or noticeable. It can also be used to describe the act of being modest or making oneself less prominent. When something is effaced, it is completely wiped out or erased from existence, leaving no trace or evidence of its former presence. This term is commonly used in situations where a person or thing needs to be removed or hidden from view, or when someone wants to downplay their own accomplishments or achievements.